Top 10 Insane Pickups of 2026. 10. Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. We're starting things off with a truck that's basically the gateway drug of this entire list, the Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. The Tacoma nameplate has been around since 1995, originally built for the North American market as a smaller, more livable alternative to Toyota's full-size trucks. It was never meant to be extreme. It was meant to be reliable, comfortable, and easy to live with every single day. And then Toyota created the TRD Pro trim, the version that looks at that comfortable family reputation and says, "Cute story. Now watch this." This generation ditched the old naturally aspirated V6 entirely in favor of a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid i-Force Max powertrain. And the numbers are genuinely serious for a mid-size truck. 326 horsepower and 465 pound-foot of torque, sent through an 8-speed automatic transmission to a proper 4x4 system with an electronically locking rear differential. Off-road hardware includes 33-inch all-terrain tires, Fox QS3 internal bypass shocks that let you manually dial in compression damping, and a crawl control system that's honestly smart enough to make some drivers feel a little unnecessary behind the wheel. It handles rock crawling and technical terrain with an eerie kind of calm that borders on showing off. Inside, you get a 14-inch multimedia screen, a full digital gauge cluster, a JBL premium sound system, and the genuinely unique party trick of this truck, dynamic performance seats. These are actively bolstered seats designed to keep your torso stable when the truck is bouncing through washboard trails at speed, which is a solution you almost never see outside of proper rally cars. Pricing starts around $64,000 to $66,000 depending on how loaded you go, which means even the entry-level truck on this list needs a fairly serious budget. But considering everything you're getting, the Tacoma TRD Pro earns its spot as the truck that proves Toyota still knows exactly what off-road buyers actually want. Number 9. Chevrolet Silverado ZR2. Next up, we're moving into full-size territory with the Chevrolet Silverado ZR2, a truck that looks massive and buttoned up cruising through the city, but completely changes personality the second the pavement runs out. The Silverado name has anchored Chevy's full-size lineup since 1999, but the ZR2 badge is much newer, arriving in 2022 as the rugged, adventure-focused member of the family, the one that basically looks at smooth asphalt and says, "That's not really my scene." Visually, the ZR2 gets a blacked-out grille, a bow-tie badge that means business, aggressive skid plating underneath, and 33-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires wrapped around ZR2 specific 18-inch wheels. Even the front bumper has been cut and reshaped just to improve the approach angle, because apparently curbs are now considered legitimate off-road obstacles for this thing. Step inside, though, and it flips the script completely. You get a 13.4-inch infotainment screen, a 12.3-inch fully digital driver display, a head-up display, and a genuinely spacious, well-finished cabin. It's the classic combination: mountain goat on the outside, tech-loaded American sofa on the inside. Under the hood, the standard engine is a 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel, making 305 horsepower and a chunky 495 pound-foot of torque, perfect for towing and long-range trail runs. But if you want the classic American pickup soundtrack instead, there's an available 6.2-liter Ecotec 3 V8, making 420 horsepower. Both root power through a 10-speed automatic and a proper Ford WD system. Pricing for the 2026 Silverado ZR2 starts around $71,800. For that money, you're getting a truck that can genuinely do daily driver duty in comfort 5 days a week and disappear into the backcountry on the weekend without missing a beat. 8. Ram 1500 RHO. Now here's where the list gets interesting, because this next truck represents one of the biggest shakeups in the entire performance pickup world for 2026. If you know your truck history, you know the legendary Hellcat-powered Ram TRX was one of the most feared factory pickups ever built. Well, it's gone. Production quietly ended back in December 2023, and Ram's replacement is the truck sitting at number 8 on our list, the Ram 1500 RHO. Instead of a supercharged Hemi V8, Ram went a completely different direction, dropping in a high-output 3.0-liter Hurricane twin-turbo inline-six that produces 540 horsepower and 521 pound-foot of torque, which, believe it or not, is actually more standard horsepower than the old TRX ever offered. It's lighter over the front axle too, which means less nose diving and a noticeably more balanced feel when you're hammering down a rough trail at speed. On the outside, the RHO carries over that wide, aggressive TRX style stance, complete with standard 35-inch Goodyear off-road tires and available beadlock capable wheels for serious trail use. Big performance brakes and tuned suspension keep things composed even when you're pushing hard. Inside, it's genuinely upscale. A 14.5-inch central touchscreen anchors the dashboard, and there's even an optional 10.25-inch interactive passenger display, something you won't find on most of the trucks on this list. Pricing runs from roughly $72,000 up toward $90,000, depending on how you spec it out. It might not have the outright supercharged drama of its predecessor, but the RHO proves that turbos can absolutely still make a room go quiet. And its proof Ram didn't just walk away from the performance truck game, it just changed weapons. Quick pause before we climb into the top 7. If you're enjoying this list so far, drop a like right now, because trust me, it's about to get a lot more ridiculous from here. 7. GMC Hummer EV Pickup 3X. The Hummer name basically went into witness protection during the 2010s after years of fuel economy jokes finally caught up with it. The original H1, born from the military Humvee back in 1992, disappeared from the market in 2010, and then returned in 2020 completely reborn under GMC as a fully electric supertruck determined to make everyone forget its gas-guzzling past. Visually, this thing looks less like a pickup truck and more like a military vehicle that wandered into a shopping mall parking lot by accident. Huge, boxy proportions, removable infinity roof panels, a short and aggressive front end, and massive wheels give it a presence that borders on intimidating. Under the skin, the range-topping 3X trim uses a tri-motor setup producing 830 horsepower, and according to GMC's own testing, it'll launch to 60 miles per hour in the low 3-second range, properly quick for a truck weighing north of 9,000 pounds. And yes, the crab walk function is completely real. The rear wheels turn in phase with the fronts, letting this massive truck shuffle sideways in tight spaces like something out of a sci-fi movie. Pricing for the 3X starts around $107,995. Honest opinion here, as impressive as the Hummer is, the Rivian coming up later on this list does almost everything it does, but lighter, tighter, and noticeably quicker. Keep that in mind, because we're about to get to it. 6. Ford F-150 Raptor R. If you ask off-road experts and truck reviewers which factory pickup is the single most complete performance machine on sale in 2026, an overwhelming number of them point straight at this one, the Ford F-150 Raptor R. The Raptor lineage kicked off back in 2010 with the original Ford SVT Raptor, a truck that basically invented the idea of a factory-built, Badger-inspired off-road monster. The Raptor R arrived as the ultimate evolution of that idea, the version built for people who miss the sound of a proper V8. Power comes from a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 producing 720 horsepower and 640 pound-foot of torque, routed through a 10-speed automatic to all 4 wheels, launching this truck to 60 miles per hour in well under 4 seconds. Genuinely supercar-adjacent numbers for something this size. But the number isn't really the story here. The chassis is. Fox Live valve adaptive dampers read the terrain in real time and adjust compression and rebound instantly, while a 5-link solid rear axle keeps everything composed at speed over whoops and washboard, where lesser trucks start bouncing around like popcorn in a microwave. On the outside, a bold black grille with Raptor R lettering, swollen fenders, and available 37-inch all-terrain tires give it a stance that says ready for the desert even while it's parked outside a coffee shop. Pricing starts around $112,000 and climbs quickly with options. Inside, Recaro-style sport seats, leather and suede touches, and carbon fiber trim remind you this isn't a work truck moonlighting as a toy. It's a toy that just happens to also have a cargo bed. 5. Tesla Cybertruck Cyberbeast. Say whatever you want about the styling, and trust me, everyone already has. The Cyberbeast is objectively one of the most unhinged production vehicles on sale anywhere in the world right now. First unveiled all the way back in 2019, the Cybertruck's reputation was cemented instantly with that now infamous live demo where the unbreakable window cracked on stage. In other words, the marketing plan took a hit that night, but nobody forgot the truck. After years of delays, deliveries finally began in late 2023. and the Cyberbeast trim emerged as the fastest, craziest version of the entire lineup. The design is unmistakable: a raw stainless steel exoskeleton body, dead flat panels, sharp angles, and a lighting signature that looks like it belongs in a completely different decade. It's almost like the design team made a rule that if anyone drew a curved line, they'd get sent home. Inside, an enormous 18.5-inch central touchscreen dominates a minimalist cabin with a 5-seat layout. Though if you're someone who loves physical buttons, you might feel a little homesick in here. Underneath, a tri-motor all-wheel drive system delivers somewhere around 845 horsepower, launching the Cyberbeast to 60 miles per hour in roughly 2.6 seconds. Tesla quotes an estimated range near 320 miles and a maximum towing capacity of up to 11,000 pounds. Pricing sits around $99,990 as of this video, though Tesla adjusts prices often enough that checking twice before you commit isn't paranoia. It's just common sense at this point. 4. Rivian R1T Quad. Now we're getting into truly rarefied territory. And this next one owns something the others on this list haven't. Multiple major outlets officially named it the best truck of 2026. Once you see the numbers, you'll understand exactly why. The R1T Quad uses 4 completely independent electric motors, one at every single wheel, combining for a genuinely absurd 1,025 horsepower and 1,198 pound-foot of torque. 0 to 60 miles per hour arrives in a claimed 2.5 seconds. Read that again. That's quicker than most 6-figure sports cars, in a pickup truck weighing nearly 7,000 pounds. But this isn't just a drag strip party trick. Off-road, adjustable A suspension delivers up to 14.6 inches of ground clearance, and a new kick-turn function lets the truck rotate almost in place by spinning the wheels in opposite directions. There's also a customizable RAD tuner mode that lets owners fine-tune power distribution, wheel spin, and damping through the touchscreen like at a video game settings menu, something genuinely unlike anything else in the pickup world right now. Pricing starts at $115,990, climbing to around $122,000 for the fully loaded launch edition. The takeaway here isn't just that electric trucks are coming, it's that they've already arrived, and they are already breaking records that gas-powered trucks spent decades chasing. 3. Shelby F-150 Off-Road. Some trucks get built for work. Some get built purely for looks. This next one got built specifically to celebrate 10 years of Shelby doing whatever it wants to Ford pickups, and to remind everyone why that's always a good thing. The Shelby F-150 program began back in 2015 as a 2016 model year truck, created to keep Carroll Shelby's performance legacy alive not just in Mustangs, but in full-size American pickups too. The 2026 version marks the program's 10th anniversary, and to celebrate, Shelby is only building 600 units for the entire US market. This isn't a trim level you can just order off a lot. Under the hood sits a Shelby-built supercharged 5.0-liter V8 pushing out more than 810 horsepower, routed through a 10-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. On the exterior, you get a functional Ram air hood, bold Shelby lettering, Le Mans-style racing stripes, 22-inch Shelby wheels, and 35-inch BF Goodrich KO3 tires stretched over widened fenders. Inside, special Shelby leather seats, carbon fiber trim, billet racing pedals, and a serialized dash plaque remind you this isn't just a truck, it's a numbered piece of a very short production run. King Racing 2.5 shocks, a proper lift kit, and upgraded performance brakes round out the off-road hardware, turning this from a loud show truck into a genuinely serious trail machine. Pricing starts around $140,795, and at this point, you're not just buying a truck, you're buying bragging rights with a numbered build sheet to prove it. 2. Brabus XLP 800 Adventure. When the tuning house Brabus looks at a Mercedes-AMG G-Class and decides what it really needs is a cargo bed, this is exactly what happens. Built on the current G-Wagon platform, the XLP takes that legendary box's silhouette and swaps the rear doors and cargo area for a proper open bed, completed with a purpose-built cargo section rather than just looking chopped and welded together. It sits on portal axles delivering roughly 18.5 inches of ground clearance, which is an almost absurd number for something this luxurious. On the outside, carbon fiber body panels, massive wide fenders, an illuminated Brabus logo, roof rack LED lighting, and 22-inch off-road wheels give it a presence so dominant that even large SUVs nearby start looking like they shrunk in the parking lot. Under the hood, A twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 tuned by Brabus's Power Extra package delivers 800 horsepower and roughly 738 pound-foot of torque, launching this multi-ton luxury pickup to 62 miles per hour in well under 5 seconds. A genuinely shocking number considering how much truck it's moving. Fully loaded builds can climb toward 900,000 euros depending on spec and options. Buying one doesn't just require money. It requires the kind of financial confidence most people only pretend to have on social media. 1. Hennessey Mammoth 1000 TRX. And here we are, the truck that makes you ask, okay, who actually needs this much power? It's standing at number 1 for a reason. Quick reality check before we get into the numbers. The Hellcat-powered Ram TRX, this truck is built from stock production back in December 2023. That means every new Mammoth built today starts life as one of the last remaining TRX trucks Hennessey has access to, which makes this genuinely limited, hand-assembled machine rather than an ongoing factory line. Once the donor trucks run out, that's it. Texas-based Hennessey takes that Hellcat foundation and pushes it well past the 1,000 horsepower mark with a larger 2.65-liter supercharger, an upgraded fuel system, custom engine tuning, and serious testing to back it all up. The final numbers: 1,012 horsepower and 969 pound-foot of torque, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.2 seconds, making this the quickest production-based pickup truck in the world, full stop. On the outside, special Hennessey badges, large aggressive bumpers, 20-inch wheels wrapped in 37-inch off-road tires, and optional carbon fiber accents give it a stance that looks like it's not hunting for a parking spot, it's hunting for a rival. Inside, the spacious TRX cabin remains, but Hennessey headrests and a serialized number plaque remind you this is no longer just a truck. It's an extremely expensive, extremely limited problem you've chosen to have. Pricing starts around $135,000 for the base Mammoth 1000 package on top of a donor TRX, and climbs well past $150,000 once off-road and overland packages get added on. So there you have it. 10 of the most insane off-road and performance pickups money can buy in 2026, from a hybrid Tacoma that still somehow feels tame by comparison, all the way up to a hand-built, record-chasing 1,000 horsepower monster that might not even exist in a few years once the donor trucks run out. So tell me, the record-breaking Rivian, the numbered Shelby, or the last of its kind Hennessey? Drop your pick in the comments below. Hit that like button if this list blew your mind even a little, and subscribe to Drive Laps, because our next countdown is going to be just as unreasonable. See you in the next one.